NMAX stock analysis. This is 3rd of April and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video to find out. First of all, start off saying that 77% correction was not that it was kind of expected, but after a crazy increase like in gains like this, it's about to happen because it was kind of destiny. I've done well over more videos than anyone else in the space. With the most proof, I have like 39,000 videos documented, and specifically looking at NMAX. Like I said, this demand area still was hope, but honestly, I'm not even gonna say it's still not hope. There's still hope, but because like one break still does not mean much. If like in the next day, like tomorrow, if it starts melting, then I'm like, right, cutting the rope short and just like letting it go. I guess kind of milk the run up, and it is what it is. Like this is the shell life of this. If you want to stay tuned about NMAX and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.